Whether you want to change a picture's backdrop color to enhance its composition or to replace it with another hue that better matches your photo, it's easy to get the look you want with the right tool. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to change the background color of a picture using PhotoWorks, an AI-powered image editor. Launch the software. Hit Open Photo to add the picture with the background you want to recolor. Then, go to the Tools tab and pick the Change Background tool. Highlight the object in your image with the green object brush. Make a few strokes with the red background brush over the backdrop to remove it. The program will then mask the backdrop automatically. Click the Next button. Drag the background opacity slider to the left to see the result better. Zoom in on the photo. Pick the red brush to erase any pieces of the background left. Or the green brush to restore the parts of the object that are missing. Hit Next once again. Drag the Blur Edge slider to adjust the edge's softness and the Extend Edge slider to make them wider or narrower. Then, select any color for your new background from the editor's palette. To make the replacement look more natural, drag the Adapt Object Colors to the background slider. When you are satisfied with the result, apply the changes. Click the Save button to download your photo with the new backdrop color. Now you know how to change the background color of a photo in mere minutes. Download PhotoWorks and recolor any background with ease.